Example problem 14. In this, a square is of side 50 mm with its surface perpendicular to both HP and VP, and the nearest side is 20 mm in front of VP and 30 mm above HP. Solution to example problem 14. Draw the front view 30 mm above the XY line and the top view 20 mm below the XY line. When a square is perpendicular to both the reference planes, its horizontal trace and vertical trace are in a straight line perpendicular to XY. Example problem 15. In this, the square lamina ABCD of side 50 mm is having its surface perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Solution to example problem 15. Draw the front view, which is a square. Project the top view, which is a line parallel to XY. Show the hidden points within parentheses. The top view will be the horizontal trace and there is no vertical trace as it is parallel to VP. Example problem 16. In this, the square lamina is of side 50 mm and is perpendicular to the vertical plane and parallel to the horizontal plane. Solution to example problem 16. Draw the top view, which is a square. Project the front view, which is a line parallel to XY. Front view will be the vertical trace and there is no horizontal trace as the line is parallel to HP. Example problem 17. In this, a regular pentagonal lamina of side 35 mm has one of its edges on HP such that the surface is inclined at 45 degrees to the HP and perpendicular to VP. Solution to example problem 17. Draw the simple plan assuming that the surface is parallel to HP with one edge perpendicular to XY. Draw the corresponding front view, which is a line on XY. Tilt the front view to the required angle with one edge E'(A') on XY. Draw the projectors vertically from the tilted front view and horizontally from the top view and get the meeting points. Complete the final top view and darken the front view and top view. Example problem 19. In this, a circular lamina of 60 mm diameter has its surface perpendicular to HP and inclined at 40 degrees to the VP. Its center is located at 40 mm above HP and 25 mm in front of VP. Solution to example problem 15. Draw the simple front view with its center 40 mm above XY and divide this into 12 equal divisions. Draw the corresponding top view, which is a line 25 mm below XY. Project the final front view. Locate the traces, darken the final front view and top views. Solution to example problem 16. Draw the simple plan such that two sides are parallel to XY so that a corner will lie on HP after tilting, and also draw the corresponding elevation. Now tilt the elevation such that it makes an angle of 45 degrees with XY line. Now project the corresponding plan. Solution to example problem 21. Draw the simple front view and the corresponding top view, which is a line on XY line with the edge PQ perpendicular to XY. Tilt the top view such that it makes an angle of 30 degrees with the XY line, keeping PQ on XY. Project the corresponding front view.